Here we are, dead people in a dead world. 2021's gonna suck. I'm just kidding. Based on that.
The first 14 miles of the year
14 miles were any indication. 2020 was a warm-up, people. Straight out of bomb. What you think, Dee Dee? What you think? 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year's! Woo! We survived. Dee Dee! Happy New Year's! Ching chang. Oh yes. What are we doing? Making a little bit of coffee before we run 14 miles. 7 in the morning. Yeah. Hey, buddy. Well, that's how we doing.
Starting off that new year on time.
Yep. Look at you, not us.
Beating everybody out here.
Woo. Needed some. Happy New Year. You too. What's the dog name? Oliver.
Hi, buddy.
How are you feeling?
Cold. But excited.
Jake, how's it going?
I feel delicious.
Delicious. Absolutely delicious.
Delicious.
Got Oliver. Got Ben.
Got some gloves.
Repping U.S. men's national team.
There's the train.
Fit check. Going all the way up there, and then over a long, long ways. There he is, the man, the myth, the legend. So remember Jake, and then this is my cousin Ben.
Morning.
Well, let's go running.
Doing 7.
Alrighty.
7-minute trail.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. See you, Oliver. See you, Ben. There he goes.
Running down 7th and Spring Street. I know you've been telling me the same thing. Lately you've been telling me this ain't me. Nah,
How's it going, Jay?
Good. Amazing. Still delicious.
So delicious.
Still.
Take it to the top.
Let's do it.
Here we go.
Baby, I ain't lose no step. I've been trying to catch my breath. Way too high. Difficult to read these texts. Triple dot, all what's next. Can't this way. Why we gotta do this now? Forgetting what it's all about. Can't turn around. Don't know why I came this way. Don't know what else I'd say. You right, you right. You right, you right. Yeah, yeah. You right, you right. You right, you right. You right, you right. You right, you right. Yeah, yeah. You right, you right. You right, you right. You right, you right. Here I go, I'm gone. I don't see no wrong. Driving down Alameda. Man, I hate Alameda. Man, I hope I don't see you. God, I pray I make it. I done seen some things I done seen in LA. Pardon me if I'm late. Only came for the cake. If it's good, I'll wait. 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 You right, you right. You right, you right. If it's good, I'll wait. I'll wait. If it's good, if it's good, if it's good. You right, you right. You right, you right. You right, you
Here we are, dead people in a dead world. 2021's gonna suck. Just kidding. Based on that.
The first 14 miles of the year
14
already.
miles were any indication. 2020 was a warm-up, people. Alright guys, so here's the thing. Jumping on a Zoom conversation with my brother Jasper and Kesh, my brother-in-law, and we're going to be talking about the making of the Winter Eagle, which was 3 years ago now. It's crazy to think about. I haven't been doing many Zoom meetings because my life hasn't needed that, but we're going to be doing a bunch more here in the near future. Should I clean up my crap? I don't know. I think, well, I probably don't have time. Yeah, Zoom meeting is in 5 minutes, so this is what I get.
You know, Jasper had the daunting task of being kind of the lead director for the music,
Right.
but he didn't have a film to look at, or like there's no, you know what I'm saying? There was not yet a film to know, okay, like this is supposed to be,
Right.
you know, whatever. Like we were literally doing it moment by moment. He's like writing note by note.
Hey, Celestine. What is that?
My ice cream log.
Ice cream log? Looks like a cake.
It's ice cream. It's a cake made out of ice cream.
Why did you get that?
Because I won a contest.
You won a contest?
Yeah.
So they gave you a cake?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Celestine entered. Wait, where's your drawing? It's over there by the poinsettia. Alright, check this out. Celestine entered a newspaper coloring contest. There's her snowman. And she won. And she got an ice cream log from Dairy Queen. Yep, that's right. My child's better than your child. Just kidding. I am 30 almost and live with my parents. Give me a break. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a battle of the minds. A mind of the battle. Who will win? None can say. And we're too impatient to find out. I mean, like, like the scale.
Yeah, you don't want to like invert anything
Right,
at
right.
this point because that makes it very confusing. Wait. Yeah.
Got a kestrel in the chicken coop. Hi, bud. Yeah, we got lots to say. Adult male kestrel. Smallest falcon we have in the States. And we're gonna go ahead and throw a band on it.
Squeebee, Uncle.
Little bird wing. See? That's fun.